Hello everybody. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can use a series of Excel function to create a mini search engine in Excel, which it will return multiple results based on your lookup value. If you're interested to see how we can do just that, keep watching. Alrighty, so at the left hand side of my Excel sheet, I have my fax sales transaction that you can see that the same ID appears multiple times, and here I have the where the search what we call placeholder is, and this is where the results gonna be. All right, so first of all, before we begin, I'm gonna be converting this area into an Excel table. It's highlight and Control T, and the moment it generated a table, then here you get the table tools design. I'm going to changing this table name into fax sales name. Okay, first of all, we're going to be using the if function. Alright, so when I see the if, double click the if and reach out to this fx function. So this is very crucial. What we're going to be doing is like this. At the logical test, I'm going to be asking, is my ID here? I'm going to turn this ID into an absolute reference by applying F4. So I'm going to be saying, alright, if this E2, alright, is equivalent to anybody within my fax sales table ID column, let's do something. I would like an extra S here. Alright, so when it is found match at the true, I would like to extract the row number of this ID here. Alright, return me the row number. But we do not want to start our row number from number 2. It returned number 2 because our first ID begins at row number 2. We like to start the index from 1, hence minus 1. Now if they are not matched, return an empty string. So in this if function right here, it says that at row number 9 of index number 9, we have found a match with 1003. Let's see whether it is correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So at the 9 ID here, it has found match. Now because this if function is going to be returning a series of answers, what we're going to be doing is we have to use Ctrl+Shift+Enter, and after you have done that, I realized that, hey, how come there's no answer? Now let's look back to this if function. I'm going to be clicking at this fx. It's because the first match right here, it is empty. Now how can I push this number 9 to the first result and ignore all this empty string? Alright, I'm going to hit escape key. We are going to need help using this small function. Our small function will return you the smallest number, the nth smallest number in the series of array. So I'm gonna double click from this date and small function, and we're gonna be neat and small function say that I would like to return the first smallest number. So at the k, which is the nth smallest, I'm going to be saying I need the first smallest number by selecting this first smallest number. And from here, I will put my $sign in front of the E. So later, when we duplicate this formula to this amount, they're gonna freeze themselves, or they're gonna turn this column, they're gonna fix themselves in this particular column. And when I'm done, I'm gonna close bracket, Ctrl+Shift+Enter. Here comes, they say, at index number 9, we've found a match. Now let's drag down. So they say from index number 9 up until 22, we have found match, but we do not want to just have the index, right? We want the date. Now we're going to be going to this index function and say, index, you need to help me and look for this fax sales date column. All right, I would like this to be my answer. And then they say that, all right, so I'm going to go to the index function and extract it according to the index generate from using your small if and row. Close bracket, Ctrl+Shift+Enter. From here, drag down, and boom. But How to eliminate away all these errors, we're going to be using an if error function. Go ahead and go back to this date and if error and say whenever there's an error, just show me an empty string. So at the back, I'm going to put value of error empty string, close bracket, Ctrl Shift Enter. From here, drag down one more time, and here you go. Alright, so I'm going to copy and paste the formula here, change to amount. That's what we want as an output. Ctrl Shift Enter, and again drag down. There you go. And of course the date, we do not want it to be in a serial number form. Change this into a short date. Cool. So that's how you do it. Alright, so I'm going to change this ID to 1002 or 1001, and that's it. And that's how you do it. So I'm aware it's a bit lengthy, but I hope you learned something new today. And thank you for being so patient with me, and I'll definitely come up with more exciting Excel related video. So stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.